Most people don't think of Alaska as being hot, but it is 86 degrees here right now. And that is hot for Alaska. It's probably pretty warm for most other places too. But anyway, all that aside, I got all the hard manual labor done, so now I get to take it easy and just ride on the tractor around the yard cutting the grass. Since I got the GoPro mount in for a handlebar, I can put it on one of these handholds on the side of the tractor now. Hopefully get a little bit better shot of this mowing some grass. The grass is a bit thicker now, so I think I'll and it's been about I think today's the 5th day since I mowed it last, which generally during the summer, at least if it's a wet summer here, you usually have to mow at least twice a week if you want to keep your lawn manageable and not have too much grass to actually have to pick up unless you mulch. So let's get into it. We'll see if we can get some better shots of the X580 mowing. I forgot to do this in the last video when I got done cutting, but you can see it cuts pretty good. There were some thicker spots here for sure. You can see it didn't quite fan out quite enough, but when you're going back and forth, it's blowing all the grass to one side, and then you go back over that same grass and cut more on the other side. So naturally it's gonna fan and kind of pile up a little bit, but overall looks pretty good. And then if we go over here, you can see over here it's a lot harder to tell. The grass was still pretty long, but overall pretty good, minus this spot. So this I'm actually going to use. This was, if you saw my Still FS91 trimmer demo of chopping all this down, this was that grass. I basically just raked it out of there, put it all over here, and then ran over it, chop it all up. And I'm going to use this to demo the lawn sweeper. So keep an eye out for that video. But yeah, X580, thing works awesome.